In this video, we explore the possible features that may be included in upcoming versions of ChatGPT. While these features are based on hypothetical assumptions, it remains to be seen whether they will become a reality. Nevertheless, let's remain optimistic and delve into our video. Increased parameters. The number of parameters in the model will increase, allowing it to generate more complex and diverse responses. Improved efficiency. Future models may have improved training techniques and hardware, making them more efficient at generating responses. Better accuracy. Improvements in the underlying algorithms and training data will lead to better accuracy and understanding of natural language. Increased contextual awareness. Models may have better contextual awareness, allowing them to understand more complex nuances in language and generate more relevant responses. Domain-specific. Future models may be designed for specific domains, such as legal, medical, or scientific, to provide more specialized responses. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like the video, and share it as much as possible.